Here's a recap of last night's Taste of Wilson challenges. First off, we begin with the grill-off challenge among local leaders. A windy and cool night got off to a somewhat fiery start for the Wilson County Schools team.
This fire's almost out of control. Good thing the fire department's over there.
Luckily, Mount Juliet Fire Chief Jamie Luffman was nearby in case backup was needed.
I never got the thing started. I'm the other guy.
There was no shortage of confidence for Director of Schools, Mr. Jeff Luttrell, CTE Supervisor Jake Hammond, and Supervisor for High School Instruction, Josh Johnston.
Jake, how's it going?
It's going great.
You feel good about things?
Yep, brats are for the win.
Brats for the win, Mr. Luttrell.
We've already won. They haven't told nobody yet.
We calling this shot.
We really think we
Josh,
we got a pretty good shot.
Good shot?
Pretty good shot.
They're eating them up pretty good over there. Okay. Did we get the fire put out? That's what I want to...
Look at that.
Yes, fire's under control.
Fire's under control.
As the near full fall moon showed its face, our grill team was looking for a treat, but got tricked in the end. So congrats to Lebanon Special School District and Superintendent/Grill Chef Scott Benson. They won the Grill-Off Challenge this year. Meanwhile, over at the Student Culinary Challenge table, Wilson Central took on Lebanon High School in a 2-course gourmet showdown.
Right now, I'm mashing the apples up just to thicken it up a little bit.
Oh, yeah?
That was a weird camera bend.
It smells fantastic.
Thank you.
Do you approve of this dish?
Yes.
Pick one up. I need to see our other side. The sugar's gonna burn quickly, so we need to.
The judges were News Channel 5's Nick Barris, Sammy B's owner Gina Stradley, and former Titans great Blaine Bishop. Their judging work was not easy. Teams had 30 minutes to prepare a ramen noodle starter and then 45 minutes to serve up a pork chop and sides main course with surprise ingredients that they had to include.
What did you think?
It was good. I mean, you know, there's so much you can do with ramen. We all, like you said, talking to us, that was our college staple, right?
Yeah, right.
So you figured out after a while those little packets of seasoning only go so far. It's all salt. So what they did was really creative. Both teams, I thought, did really well.
What did you think about the ramen dish? I mean, it was pretty tasty, wasn't it?
Oh no, that was awesome. I felt like I was at a nice restaurant for sure.
Not on the West Lawn in downtown.
It wasn't like, you know, waking up in college, you know, you just making some noodles, right?
Yeah, right.
Nah, definitely.
This definitely upped the game. These are all-star noodles, right? Right.
After the tabulations, Lebanon High School won the ramen starter dish, but Wilson Central would rally and win the main course and overall points. The Wildcats took home the win, but Lebanon High School did win the Spirit Award.
You guys are the winners. I mean, overall group effort, what do you have to say about your accomplishment tonight? Great.
It was a fun competition.
Fun competition?
Yeah.
What do you think about all this?
Fun. It was a bit stressful at the beginning, but after the second one, I think we did good.
Anytime that a timer's involved to cook something like that, oh wow. You guys did amazing. So congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. Didn't work out to win top honors, but did you have a lot of fun tonight?
We had a lot of fun.
Awesome time.
Yeah, awesome challenge.
Yeah. Is this your first challenge? Did you do this 2 years ago?
I did this 2 years ago.
So you kind of knew what was going on and kind of had to share the. You were here, weren't you here? No, you were first year. So what was your thoughts about first time? Did you have a lot of fun?
Yes, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it.
Did you feel stressed, pressure to get dishes done or anything?
Yeah. A little bit. There's always pressure. There's always pressure within 45 minutes having to come up with something,
but a great time.
Yeah, great time.
All right. Well, all the best to you guys. You guys did fantastic.
So it was a fun night at the Taste of Wilson, a huge crowd, and that's great news for Wilson County educators because a portion of the proceeds from this event go towards teacher grant funds. Have a tasty weekend, everyone. I'm Bart Barker with Wilson County Schools.